Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore skincare and beauty products with the expertise of a true enthusiast. If you're looking for a moisturizer that can nourish your skin and provide lasting hydration, then stick around as we dive into Weleda's Skin Food Face Care Nourishing Day Cream. When it comes to skincare, we all know the importance of finding a cream that not only hydrates, but also leaves the skin feeling fresh, glowing, and balanced. This rich, plant-based formula promises to restore luminosity to your complexion while keeping it hydrated throughout the day. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. Weleda's Skin Food Face Care Nourishing Day Cream is a nutrient-dense moisturizer formulated with a blend of plant-based ingredients, including olive leaf extract, calendula, pansy, and squalane. What sets this product apart is its commitment to natural, vegan ingredients, certified by Nature, and its free from promise of parabens, phthalates, synthetic fragrances, and preservatives. This is a moisturizer that works in harmony with your skin's natural systems, providing all-day moisture and radiance. Upon application, the texture of this cream is thick and velvety, which can be a pleasant surprise if you have dry skin like mine. It absorbs surprisingly well, leaving behind a smooth, non-greasy finish. While it's a rich formula, it doesn't feel heavy or oily, a key point for those with combination or sensitive skin who are wary of overly greasy moisturizers. It works well both under makeup or on its own, providing a smooth canvas that makes your skin look naturally radiant. Over the past few weeks, I've been using this moisturizer both morning and night. I've noticed a visible improvement in my skin's luminosity and texture. It feels softer, more hydrated, and the overall tone has evened out. For someone with dry skin, this is a real win, and the lasting moisture throughout the day is a definite plus. However, while it's great for dry to normal skin types, I wouldn't recommend this for anyone with oily skin. It's just a bit too thick, and while it absorbs well, the richness might not be ideal for those who prefer a lighter, less emollient feel. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the plant-based ingredients are a major benefit, and the formula does a fantastic job at providing lasting hydration and a luminous finish. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, and the absence of harsh chemicals is a big plus. On the flip side, the richness of the cream may not work for everyone, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin. And while it's effective, the price point could be a bit high for a moisturizer, especially if you have to use a generous amount to get the full effect. Is this product worth the price? If you're someone who values natural ingredients and is looking for a high-performance moisturizer that tackles dryness and provides a luminous glow, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're on a tighter budget or looking for something lighter, there are alternatives that can give you similar results without the hefty price tag. Customer service with Weleda has been reported as responsive and helpful, but I haven't had any direct interactions myself. Based on my experience, though, I trust the brand's reputation for quality, and I feel confident recommending their products for anyone looking for natural skincare options. If you're looking for something similar but more affordable, you might want to try moisturizers from brands like Neutrogena or CeraVe, which offer high-quality hydration at a lower price point. So, does Weleda's Skin Food Face Care Nourishing Day Cream live up to its claims? If you're searching for a rich, plant-based moisturizer that restores your skin's natural radiance, this product is a great option. It's especially beneficial for dry or normal skin types that need deep hydration and a healthy glow. Just be mindful of the price and the richness of the formula if you have oilier skin. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. If you're ready to give this product a try, the link is in the comments below. If you've already used Weleda Skin Food Face Care Nourishing Day Cream, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.